everyone. I'm very delighted to be in front of you once again. We are into the last part of the chapter. Before I move into today's session, let us see some doubts raised by 6th standard children.
Oxygen is available in the atmosphere for terrestrial plants and animals. But what about aquatic animals? Where do they get oxygen from?
Aquatic animals use oxygen dissolved in water. They have adaptations that allow them to use the oxygen dissolved in water. Example, a fish has gills. When water passes through gills, the oxygen dissolved in the water is absorbed and is used for respiration.
How does the living things which live inside the soil respire?
It's a good question. Living things also need oxygen to respire. They breathe oxygen that is trapped in the pores of the soil. Example, earthworm. Earthworm lives inside the soil. They breathe oxygen present between the particles of the soil. During rainy season, the soil becomes waterlogged and is devoid of any oxygen. So, earthworms comes out of the soil to breathe oxygen from the air. Now, let us learn how balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide is maintained in nature. Oxygen is constantly used by all living organisms, but the percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere remains almost same. This is because of the process of photosynthesis and respiration. During the day, the green plants take carbon dioxide present in the air and release oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. Both plants and animals take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide into the air during respiration. The amount of oxygen produced by the plants during photosynthesis is more than the amount of oxygen used by living organisms during respiration. The natural cycle of consumption of oxygen by respiration and its release by photosynthesis is called oxygen cycle. I repeat, the natural cycle of consumption of oxygen by respiration and its release by photosynthesis is called oxygen cycle. Thus, both plants and animals are interdependent on each other and help in maintaining the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air. I hope everyone understood today's session. Thank you.